Want to unlock the power of Google Veo 3 for free? Yes, that Hollywood-level AI video tool everyone's talking about.
The film is in your ticket.
They're watching the north exit. Use the service tunnel.
According to this old sea chart, the Lost Island isn't myth. We must prepare an expedition immediately.
Where were you on the night of the bubble bath?
In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step method to get access through the student subscription trick, even if you're not actually a student. It's safe, easy, and you'll be up and running in just a few minutes, so let's dive in. What is Veo 3 and why you need it? First, if you didn't know, Veo 3 is Google's brand new AI video generation tool. It can create ultra-realistic videos from text prompts, cinematic camera moves, sharp lighting, and realistic people.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light. This ocean.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
What manner of magic is that?
And the best part, you can access it through the Gemini Advanced subscription. Now here's the trick to get it, for free. Veo 3 and Gemini Advanced are currently available in limited regions, mostly the US. So first, fire up your VPN and connect to a United States server. You can use Proton VPN, Urban VPN, or any reliable free option. Here I'm using Urban VPN. Visit the Gemini Advanced page. Now open gemini.google.com and click on Try Gemini Advanced, or you can search Gemini subscription. You'll be taken to the subscription page. Normally, this would cost you $19.99 a month. But don't worry, we're not paying that. If you see this error page, don't worry, just create a new Gmail address and try it again. If you scroll down or look carefully, there's a student plan option. It's way cheaper, and in some cases, it comes with a free trial or 100% free if your edu domain is verified. Let's grab a .edu email address and get in. Get a temp edu email. Now let's head over to a temporary edu email service. Search edu temp email. You'll find a lot of options from there. Select one and you will get a free email address. Copy one of the .edu email addresses and keep this tab open. We'll need to verify it. Sign up as a student. Go back to the Gemini student sign up page. Paste your temporary .edu email, set a password, and choose your region as the USA. You might need to verify the email, so check the temp email inbox and click the verification link, or copy the verification code. Paste the verification code and verify your account. Add payment method. You can use your own or someone else's dual currency debit card as a payment method. Once added, boom, you're in. Access Gemini plus Veo 3. Log into your Gemini Advanced dashboard. Now go to the Veo 3 section and create your first video. I've created a video with this prompt. A Bangladeshi 25 years man wearing a black shirt looking at the camera and saying, "Hi everyone." To create a Google Veo 3 account for free, watch the video. And subscribe for more. Let's watch the video together.
Hi everyone. To create a Google Veo 3 account for free, watch the video and subscribe for more.
Look how beautifully this AI created the video and what a beautiful sound matching it has done. It doesn't feel like it was made by AI. It's so realistic. In my next video I'll show you how to write perfect prompt for Veo 3 following the proper prompt structure. To get the perfect result every time, if you want to learn, then subscribe. That's it, you now have free access to Google Veo 3 and Gemini Advanced. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI hacks, and drop a comment if you run into any issues. I've got your back. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.